If you use Google Calendar every day, pinning it to your Windows taskbar is one of the fastest ways to keep your schedule one click away. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add Google Calendar to the Windows taskbar so it opens like a dedicated app, making it easier to check events, meetings, and reminders without searching through your browser tabs. And if this tutorial helps you out, please go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome on your Windows computer and go to Google Calendar. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account so you're pinning the calendar you actually use every day. Once Google Calendar is open, look to the top right corner of Chrome and click the three-dot menu. This opens Chrome's main menu, where you'll find several browser options. From that menu, hover over or select Cast, Save, and Share. In the options that appear, click Install Page as App. This tells Chrome to turn the Google Calendar webpage into a separate app window instead of keeping it inside a browser tab. It's a really useful trick because it makes Google Calendar feel more like a native desktop app. After that, click Install. Chrome will then create the app version of Google Calendar and open it in its own window. You'll notice it looks cleaner and more focused, with fewer browser distractions around it. This is the version you want to pin to your taskbar. Now look down at your Windows taskbar. You should see the Google Calendar app icon there. Right-click the Google Calendar icon and a small menu should appear. From that menu, select Pin to its taskbar. Once you do that, the Google Calendar icon will stay on your taskbar permanently, even after you close it. Now anytime you want to open your calendar, you can just click that icon and jump straight into your schedule. No need to open Chrome, type in the address, or dig through bookmarks. It's a simple setup, but it can save you a lot of time over the course of a day. If you ever want to remove it later, you can right-click the taskbar icon again and unpin it the same way. But for most people, keeping Google Calendar pinned is a great productivity move, especially if you rely on meetings, deadlines, or daily planning. So that's how to add Google Calendar to the Windows taskbar using Chrome's install feature. If this video helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick Windows and Google app tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.